morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Vagabond. Well, today I'm going to go to Bokhali, which is a seaside tourist place, and it takes approximately 4 hours to reach there by road. You can go there by your car or two-wheeler, and you can also take train and reach there, whichever is comfortable. I'll tell you more about this along the way and present to you a budget trip. So let's move towards that. I have reached Bokhali, which lies on the National Highway 12, approximately 125 kilometers from Kolkata, and is also a part of the Sundarban settlements. And there you see the Bokhali picnic ground where you can come for a day's picnic, or you can book a budget hotel and stay back. You can also book the Balutot tourism property, earlier Bokhali Tourist Lodge, which is serving on behalf of the Bengal Tourism Department. I had planned for a day's trip, hence I am going for sightseeing, for first taking a Toto, which will take me to Fraserganj, Kargil Beach and Benfish Harbour, which is within 2 to 3 kilometers from Bokhali. Bokhali was named after Bokpaki in Bengali, which is the osprey bird found in abundance in the area. The Balutot Lodge can be booked from the regional tourist office, or you can also shop around for any budget hotel if you're staying back. Well, now I'm going to move towards Fraserganj by a Toto, and here you will find the wind farm on the way and a beautiful beach attached. Sir Andrew Fraser, Lieutenant Governor of Bengal between 1903 to 1908, discovered this beautiful place and planned it to convert to a resort, but failed as the waters continuously washed away the constructions. You can see this dilapidated house near the beach, which is believed to be of Sir Andrew Fraser, after whom the place was named. You can buy dry fish if you want. There are a variety of fishes, and there are different rates they have to offer to you. Moving from this place, I'm going to go to Kargil Beach, which again is a very beautiful and a stunning beach, and it is untouched yet, and it is beautifully developed. It is a treat to the eye. If you're planning to stay back, you may also visit Henry's Island, Frederick Island, Sagar Island, Jambudweep, and Lothian Island, which are also very beautiful. Since it is a little time consuming, hence I had to drop the plan and go back to the city. Earlier, there was a zoo with a few monkeys, crocodiles, alligators, birds, and deers, but now this is closed down and is only left for timber trade. For more details, please check the description box.